Now you can see what we have to do. I have to recognize the objects. In manual testing, basically what we used to do, we used to click on an object, click on a button. Okay, these things we used to perform, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so in the same way, here also I have to perform the same things. I have to perform the things on buttons, objects. So I need to recognize these elements. I need to recognize these elements. How can we recognize these elements? Let's check it out. So these are known as identifiers in Java. If I go here, just Google it out. Identifiers in PlayWright. So they are also known as locators. So basically, this is a interview question, 100%. So how many locators are there? Seven locators, major locators are there. We will be looking at XPath also, CSS also. So these are different type of locators. Okay. So we have page. So how, if I want to perform any actions, I will be using these locators. I will be using these locators. So what is a role? Role is an attribute, guys. Means is that particular attribute we I am able to check it as a button. It is a button. It is a link. So role is basically button, link. So these are known as roles. Okay. So we have a text, get by text. I want to just find a text, okay, and perform action on it. Okay. We have I will let's start with first of all, let me take easy, simple, get by text. Okay, get by text. I want to extract a text. I want to extract a text. Okay, so what I go to Google, go to Wikipedia, this second, and let's extract the text English and click on it. Extract the text English and click on it. Let's do this program. Okay, so I'll go over here. I click my first program, get by text. So I am completing now. I am going with get by text. This locator I am doing. So get by text dot spec dot. Fine guys. Now let's start. So first of all, I want to export our Chromium test. Okay. So I import our in the same way test, comma, Chromium, comma. Now I will use one expect. Expect is used for comparison. Is expect. Expect A means both are correct or not. It is used for and it is from play. So let me start our test test. So get by test I will check, comma, AC. Same thing. Now, now let me get one. Now let me launch the browser. Browser contains and page. So I go over here, launched. I will give you time guys. Okay? I will onion dot onion dot launched. Same images context. Await. Launched. Page. Visible. Await. So I have launched it. Now I want to launch our this site as with TV. So how I do? Await page dot UP and give your Wikipedia. Fine, guys. Now let's wait for because it will be so fast you won't be able to check it out. So I am giving a wait also. Okay. So I give a wait, wait dot wait for timeout. 2 seconds I am waiting. Now I want to click on English. So it is my get by text. If you right click on it, see inspect it, you will find a text is there. English is there. Okay. It is showing 8 matches of English. You can see. This is the first match. One more is just 2, 4. There is somewhere else also. 4, 5. There are 8 matches. Small 8 matches of English. See, somewhere hidden is there. It is hidden also. It is hidden here also. Somewhere if you see, check out. Here also it is hidden. Okay, English. So it is Indian. So I want to take the first English. I want to take this is our first English. See, expect it. Okay. If you check it, this is my first English. It is focusing on it. Okay, it's focused on it. So I want to click on my first English. So I will get by text. So how can I take? It is a practice. Wait, wait, dot, get by text and give it as English. And we have seen there are many English there. So I have to click on it. First of all, comma. I want it should be exact. E should be capital and should be small. I want to be exact. So give a parameter E X A C T exact T R U dot click. Click on it. I want to click on it. I want to click on the sorry, I want to click on it, but I want to click on first. First, I will take the first one. There many because and then click on it. Again, I wait for 2 seconds because it will so much fast you cannot even watch it. Okay, so I am waiting for it. Save it. Let's run it. Just name it. Get by text. Get some spelling mistake. GT B capital. So it is correct. Oh, I have to put in test folder. Yeah, I put in because it is checking in test folder. Okay, now it's run. Launch Wikipedia. 2 seconds it will wait. English it has. Anyone, any questions? Anyone? All good?
Yeah, it's good. But Abhinav, is it possible that
And
right now it's a first, we are clicking on first, but in future it may change to some other second or third? That we got one more English there.
Try it out. If I give second, if second is there.
No, right now it will work. It's fine because it's a first instance. But yeah, in future, suppose we add something more in that page and we got one more English or something, then
Yes,
its
yes.
position may get changed, now.
Yeah, yeah. Then you can go with second also. You can go with third also.
So we have nothing unique here. We can use it except
No,
this.
you have to verify that next page that I clicked on correctly or not. If I am clicking over here, and suppose this page is coming, then you have to expect that it should have from today featured article. Then only you have clicked the correct one. Fine. Getting
Yeah.
my point? If you click
Okay.
on English, suppose I go over here and where is English, I click here. So the same page is coming. No issues in it. Okay. Some more English is there. But see, it will come the same. I have given this first because it will not get confused. It will not confuse. Else it will get confused. I have to click on first, second, third, or fourth. If I suppose remove it, let's check it out. Let's remove it. Save it and let's see. So what it do? It goes there. See error. It got confused because there are so many English.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's why I shown you the first occurrence was it just was the first occurrence. You inspect it. If you search for English, so see if I press enter. So see it is giving the focus, correct? And it is showing first. It's showing the focus, yes, on this, and it is showing first. This was the first one. Second, third are hidden. Okay, might be hidden. So one is here. So it doesn't got confused when we give first over here. Got it?
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Right.
Abhinav, that exact true means that the text should be completely matched with the text that we are providing,
Yes,
right?
it should be exact. Exact. Yes. Exact should be true. Okay. That's why we use exact.
This one is in headless mode, right?
This one,
Headless mode, right?
yes. See, we give it headed.
Uh, I did. Okay. If we provide in headed, then let's check on that headed mode.
Done.
Yes, it's run for me. So, Abhinav, that spec, why specific spec you define that something important that spec.ts,
What?
that in the file name you specified that spec.ts. Is there any but some reason that we need to add spec one, or we can remove spec as
Yes,
in
you
my
can.
file?
We haven't used it. You can remove it.
Okay.
Okay, let's
Let's
start next program. So now is suppose I want to second I am taking it. So we are done with get by title. What we did? Label. No, get by text. Okay. Now get by text is done. Let's take as get by label. So let's check it label. So locate associated label. Okay, it will check the label. So let me go to a site. Okay. If I go to a site, internethookups.com login. Okay. So if I delete this, now let me inspect it. Um, so you will find a user label. You will find a label associated. And label is basically your user. Okay, if I inspect it, with this also you see everything comes under division. Remember, one more thing I want to tell you. Right. So if I go to this site, if I go to this site, okay. So this is known as a DOM. This is known as a DOM. Okay. This is known as a DOM. And these are known as your object. If you right click over it and inspect it, it will show that this comes under this division. This comes under this division. This divisions comes under this form. This form comes under this division. So it is like a path to your house. This comes under this division. This comes under this division. So it will from HTML tag it starts. From where it starts? It starts from the HTML tag and goes till down. HTML, then body. See, it is open. So go here, open body. Now it is closed. See, open. Now it will go to division. Here is open division. Here it is open. Next division. Next division. Okay. Now this is open. Next division. Under that, this form is there. This division is there. This division is there. Okay. So we are on finally on this. Okay. This. Here we don't have any label. Here you see, can we see any label? Yes or no? You cannot see any label. So I found out a site which has a label. It is not necessary what I am teaching. All these elements are available. Okay. It is not necessary exact text is there, exact label is there. You have to find by one of them. That's why there are multiple ways of finding the things. Got it? So if I right click on it, so you can see this is a part of this same division. You can see this is a part of same. Both are in the same division. So we have a label username. Okay. If I check for password, it is also a part of same division. Label is also inside there, input is also there. So we have a label and input totally merged in a division. Okay, so now let me launch this site and put some values in these labels. Okay, so I go over here. Let's create get by label spec. I am what I'm doing now, guys. I'm copying the same thing. You guys can also copy. Again and again, I will not write same code and list. Okay, I will just change this get by label. Okay, now I will launch this site. So I go over here and give page dot go to. Let's give a weight for it. Let me give a weight. Okay, now I am here. Now let me find the first label. So so for label, I have to extract this element. I will be extracting this element. Okay, now I will be extracting. I extract this element in a web element. These are known as web element. Const user name input is equal to await page dot get by label. And what is the label? Take by label. Now, once you get this label, fill this value. I want to put some value in it. So putting the value inside a text box, we use command fill. So go over here, await user mm, user name input dot fill. So I gave a name as QA PlayWright. Now let's give a wait for 2 seconds. Await page dot wait for timeout. Now I want to check. Wait, guys, who is speaking? Just wait. Or go for mute. Let's inspect this. So this has the label password. So I take out for password also. Const password input is equal to await page dot get by label pass password. Okay, let's fill it out also. Await password input testing password I give and let me give a time. Let's try it out run whether it is filling these two values or not. So I go over here, I give this get by so it started. Wait, see it gave to a playwright. Okay, password. So it works fine. It works fine. Okay. So it totally works fine. Okay, guys. Any issues in asking? I am giving this after I write it out. I am giving this site name. Write it.